Fireworks are starting in a minute, guys.
Yeah, people sit in front of us.
Make some thunder.
That's okay.
Boys.
They can't see them
A
anyways.
little hint that the fireworks are probably up in the air. I'd like you to get some fun with those fireworks.
Any minute now, guys. They're singing it funny. Everybody's ready with their glow glasses. Woo! There they go! Woo! And they're away they go! Holy crap, these things are massive. Oh my god! Woo!
Pause. Everybody put pause and we'll go looking for
Oh my god. Let's go. Ooh. Wow. Hey, there's a big.
Hunter, come here.
I hear it. Ooh. What do you think, Griff? Cool. Nice. They sound like freaking gunshots. Oh, everyone knows. Woo! You guys may think I'm zoomed in, but those are the actual legitimate size of the fireworks. This is gonna be big. Woo! Nice. Wait, adjust my position here. That's a lot more comfortable. Holy crap, these things are massive. Holy crap. Just so you guys know, I'm about half a kilometer away from where they're setting them off. Whoa. These things are massive. Back up, that's
Hello.
true. That's not why. Look right there.
Wow. Oh my god. It sure did. Oh my god. Holy! I was going high up. Holy Moses. A lot better than last year's. A lot better. Holy, yeah. Nice. Christmas colors.
That was so
That was my favorite one. Wish they turned those generators off. They're a little bit loud. If you're wondering what those lights are, those are just light up glasses. Oh no, not the finale, not already. Oh, it's beautiful. Is that them all? No! Well done. Woo! That was good. That was a great show. Lasted approximately 8 minutes. Approximately 8 minute show. Maybe they're trying to fool us and maybe we'll fire up a couple more, but most likely not.
A firework went past my head at where your head is right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that kind of
One of the
sucks.
cakes flipped. The cake flipped.
Alright, well, that was the fireworks, guys. Hope you enjoyed them. If you did, make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.